Welcome back to Learn German with Potato. In this lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself in German. You will learn how to say your name, your age, where you are from, where you are living, and which languages you can speak. Starting off with your name. In German, der Name. When you want to say your name in German, you have three options. They all basically mean the same thing. You can either say Ich bin, followed by your name, Mein Name ist, followed by your name, or Ich heiße, followed by your name. Repeat after me. Ich bin. Mein Name ist. Ich heiße. Now, when you want to ask another person for their name, you can ask, Wie heißt du? This is the informal version. The formal version is, Wie heißen Sie? Repeat after me. Wie heißt du? Wie heißen Sie? Let's move on to the age. Age in German is das Alter. If you want to say how old you are, you can say Ich bin, then your age, and Jahre alt, which means I am years old. If you forgot how to say the numbers in German, check out the vocabulary lessons 3 and 4, where I talk about the numbers. If you want to ask somebody else for their age, you can ask, Wie alt bist du? This is the informal version, or the formal version. Wie alt sind Sie? Let's repeat everything. Repeat after me. Ich bin Jahre alt. Wie alt bist du? Wie alt sind Sie? Now on how to say which country you are from. Die Herkunft. You can say Ich komme aus and then your country. It means I come from. I made a small list of some countries. If your country is not included here, just let me know in the comments. Listen to the pronunciation of those countries now. Deutschland, Frankreich, Italien, Spanien, Portugal, England, USA, Russland, Türkei, China, Korea, Japan, Indien, Brasilien, Kanada, Mexiko, Australien, Ägypten, Marokko, Syrien. Let's come back here. In my case, I could say, Ich komme aus Deutschland. If you want to ask somebody else where they are from, you can ask, Woher kommst du? This is the informal version, or the formal version, Woher kommen Sie? Repeat everything after me. Ich komme aus Woher kommst du? Woher kommen Sie? Moving on to your place of residence, where you live. Der Wohnort. You can simply say, ich wohne in, and then your city. It means I am living in. If you want to ask another person where they live, you can ask, wo wohnst du? Informal or formal, wo wohnen Sie? Repeat after me. Ich wohne in. Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnen Sie? Lastly, let's look at the languages. In German, die Sprachen. How can you say which languages you are speaking? You can simply say, ich spreche, and then the language. In case of 2 or more languages, you can put a und in the middle. Also here, look at the list of languages. Again, if your language is not included here, just let me know in the comments. Listen to the pronunciation now. Deutsch, Französisch, Italienisch, Spanisch, Portugiesisch, Englisch, Russisch, Türkisch, Arabisch, Hindi. If you want to ask somebody which languages they are speaking, you can ask, welche Sprachen sprichst du? Informal or formal, welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Repeat after me. Ich spreche. Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Now let's practice everything you learned. Try to answer potato. Try to just listen and answer without looking on your screen. If it's still a little bit hard, you can find the hint at the right side. Let's start. Hallo, ich bin Kali. Wie heißt du? Wie alt bist du? Ich komme aus Deutschland. Und du? Wo wohnst du? Ich spreche Deutsch und Englisch. Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Good job, everybody. That's it for today. See you again next time.